How to post a GIF on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post a GIF on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then just click these three lines in the top corner and then click see your profile and then go down and let's post. Click here and then here just click these 3 points and then click GIF. And now just select any GIF you want and then just post it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.